guys, I'm Corinne with My Virtual OT. One of the things that I love about the profession of occupational therapy is how we are challenged to think both creatively and innovatively. So with that being said, today I wanted to offer you a no-sew option on how to make a mask out of a sock. So all you need is a sock. This is a tube sock. The longer the better, just to give you more material to work with, but I would say for this tutorial you would need a sock about this long or more. So sock and a pair of scissors. These are fabric cutting scissors. Make sure that your scissors are sharp enough. The dull ones will just cause the material to fray everywhere and make a huge mess. So all you need is a sock and a pair of scissors and just a few minutes of your time. So let's go dig up that sock out of the bottom of your drawer that doesn't have a match, and let's get started. All right, so you have your sock and you'll fold it in half at the heel. Make sure that it's even when you fold it. Now about 2 inches from the shorter side, you're going to cut straight across right here. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so it doesn't look like much fabric, but I promise you this is going to work. So now you open it back up. Then you open it this way, so I went from here to here, and you're going to cut this seam right across from the heel. So the heel side is still intact, but you're going to cut the opposite side down the middle. Okay, good. So this is what you have. You just cut down here. So now we're going to open it all the way up and fold it the other way. Now this is an important part, so don't skip this step. You're going to cut the corners off like that. And instead of doing a symmetrical triangle, I've found that going at an angle gives you the best fit to your face for some reason. So I'm going to cut at an angle, cut the triangle right off. It does not have to be perfect, I promise. So same thing on this side, cut the angle, or cut the triangle at an angle. Good. We're almost done. So now you've got this. And the last step is to just make your ear pieces. So I'm going to snip here and snip here about 1 inch in, and I'm cutting both sides. When you make these, you want to have about 1 centimeter, and I'm cutting from the folded side up this way about 1 inch. So now I'll do the other side. Alright, and there you have it. So, face mask. So this is what the finished product should look like. You can also fold it right here if you want. What I really like about this is that it's nice and lightweight, so during the summer months when you are wanting to go out in public, this is a great option that you won't sweat as much underneath. It certainly doesn't do the job of an N95 mask, but this can still help protect you and protect others this summer. So if you found this helpful, please share this video and like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram at My Virtual OT. Stay safe and stay healthy.